Hi, welcome to Under 10, where we break down the biggest topics impacting independent agents in under 10 minutes. Today, we're talking about how agents can win more small business accounts and why the right carrier support can make that process easier, faster, and more repeatable. Hi, everyone. I'm Christine, Director of Account Management at Coterie, and I'm joined by Ashraf, one of our agency success managers, who works closely with independent agents every day. Small business insurance should be a huge opportunity for agents, but the reality is it's not always an easy one. To set the stage, small businesses represent nearly all businesses in the US, but studies show that a majority of small business owners still don't fully understand their insurance coverage. At the same time, they're more price sensitive, more time constrained, and expecting faster answers than ever. So Ashraf, from your perspective, why do these conversations feel harder for agents right now?
Yeah, I feel like a lot of it just comes down to overload. Small business owners are just getting information from everywhere, and that doesn't always translate to confidence. Agents are trying to balance education, speed, and pricing all in one conversation, and that's also not easy without the right support.
And then when that confidence breaks down, we start to see those deals stall. One thing we see consistently is that successful agents approach small business conversations differently. They ask better questions early, they frame coverage around real risks, and they set expectations up front. So, Ashraf, what separates agents who win consistently from those agents that we see struggle?
Yeah, probably the biggest difference is focus. The winning agents don't try to force every account. They focus on the fit. They understand their carrier's appetite. They know where they can move quickly, and they guide the client instead of reacting to them.
And that guidance matters, especially when research shows that most small business owners still prefer buying insurance through an agent when they feel confident in the recommendation. So at Coterie, our goal is to make small business placement simpler, not more complicated. That means clear appetite, faster quoting, and fewer back and forths. How does that show up in your day-to-day work with agents?
Yeah, it shows up in helping agents avoid dead ends, help them quickly understand a good fit, what's not, so they're not wasting their time. And when the process is simple, agents can focus on the conversation instead of the mechanics.
And that simplicity helps to build trust with both the agent and the small business owner. So we've talked a lot about relationships, and this is where agency success managers really come in and play a huge part in what Coterie does and why we've seen success. So Ashraf, I'll ask you, how do you see your role in helping agents win more often?
Yeah. Our role is to be a strategic partner. We help agents think through placement strategy, not just quote requests. So when an agent knows that they have support behind them, they're more confident, and confident agents close more business.
And that confidence doesn't just help win new accounts, it helps to retain them. So when agents have clarity, confidence, and the right support, winning small business accounts becomes repeatable, not stressful. And that's when we see growth become sustainable. That's today's Under 10. If you're an independent agent or work with them, make sure to subscribe for more conversations like this. We'll see you next time.
See you next time.